The difference between success and you becoming a statistic with final expense insurance sales is understanding the three biggest reasons that causes catastrophic failure when you're trying to sell final expense insurance over the phone or even face to face. So we're going to go into the reasons that you will not make it. And I've been in this industry a long time. We're talking over 2+ decades, 20+ years. And final expense insurance agents get taken out because number one, of the 3 points I'm going to go over with you today is they don't have enough leads. Number one is leads. If you don't have leads, you're going to lose. All right. It's like you can be an amazing, okay, amazing person, but does it matter if you don't have a pipeline of new people to see? You can be an amazingly gifted agent. If you don't have enough balls thrown at you, you're never going to be able to connect and make cash in this industry. So many insurance agents get hurt and harmed because they didn't know that they needed leads. Leads are leverage. They're the lifeblood of this industry. And insurance agents that lose, they don't make it, they become a statistic. Well, what I've seen is they don't buy enough leads or even have enough capitalization to be able to make it. Leads are one of the biggest reasons that a lot of insurance agents lose a lot of money in this space because they weren't leveraged in a place that they could powerfully move forward. Because if you bought leads and then you sold maybe that great prospect some insurance right now, if they're not paid till the third Wednesday of the month, you got to wait a little bit. Well, your war chest just went empty if you've only got a couple $100 in this space. You've got to understand leads are everything, and you will lose if you don't have enough leads. So, number one, leads are a big cause of final expense insurance agent failure. You didn't fund yourself. All right. Now, number two, if you're taking notes, is that systems are very important for you to find success. Agents that are absolute statistics, they don't follow systems. They just kind of they wing it, all right? And everything goes wrong when you're doing that. You don't have the path to be able to follow. It's so important that you've got powerful trainers and mentors and folks that can give you systems. It's way too costly to try to figure out what works by the school of hard knocks. You got to be able to have a proven path, a proven power script to be able to navigate these waters. But systems are everything. And when you have enough leads, all right, number one, back to number one, speed to lead is big. And we recruit agents nationally to sell life, Medicare, and annuities here at jasonfinalexpense.com. But let me share with you, if you're slowing down when a lead comes in and not calling them, you're going to be a casualty of this industry. Systems are important, but when you have a lead, speed to lead is everything. Take the time and make the time to get that phone call handled so that you can have the best chance of success. 90% of the agent force fails because sometimes they fail to see the business as the simple business that it is. It's not an easy business, okay, to have enough money to buy leads and just buying them every week. But the business works out that way because you got this pipeline of prospects that gives you the best chance of having the pipeline of success. But there's no guarantees in this space. But and systems are very important. You got to have a speed to lead about you. But when you get into a place where they pick up that phone call, slow down, my friends. If you want to find success, slow, intentional movement here is everything for you. Speed to lead is fast, but agents that don't make it, they go way too quick. In a sales presentation, they go all about the price, all about the price. Nobody wants to hear that. All right. You got to be focusing on the problems first, then the product comes out, and then it's all about what's in their budget. Okay. You're going to get really beat up in final expense telesales if you're right into the first paragraph or second paragraph going, what can you afford? Well, okay, you good with this? What's your budget? What are you going to do? Ouch, right? You're going straight into Cobra Kai, buy, and you're going to be out of this industry going bye. That didn't feel good. Okay. Speed to lead, yes, for number two, but you've got to have systems and you've got to be sharp enough to follow those systems and to train like your career depends on it. Because if not, you'll probably be a casualty of the industry. So, systems are everything. Make sure that whatever work family you align with, they help you, they hone you. They're a battle buddy, a partner. It's a lonely space if you're a single agent staring at your walls and not having a mentor like we provide here to be able to help and assist you in actually attaining what you say you want. But Number three, you've got to stay focused. You've got to work, all right? Like your career depends on it because it does. Number one is leads. Number two, you got to have systems. Number three, though, stay focused. Insurance agents that don't focus on one simple product, if you can't stay on task, you're going to get taken out of this industry. Distractions destroy you. Distractions debilitate you. Money will have the best chance of following your attention. And if you can't put attention on your prospects, your leads, your calls, your call to action every day, you're going to get paid about what? Okay. And according to what you did, not what you did not do. If you're derailed and distracted by every email that comes in your inbox and every video, oh, maybe I'll sell annuities now. Maybe I'll sell Medicare insurance. Oh, hey, maybe ACA. Stop it. Okay. If you want to find success, keep your world small, keep your wallet fat, my friends. You've got to find yourself into a position where you can be like a horse with blinders. Put the blinders on so that you can have the best chance of success selling final expense insurance. Agents that get destroyed, agents that become casualties of the industry, they can't stay focused. They can't be focused on action and activity. Activity will solve your problems in this space. If you've got leads, if you've got systems, if you can stay focused on action, next call, next call, next call. I'm not going to call it quits. Next call, next call, next call. I've got strength about me. You may find success in this space, but it's a performance-based business. And if you're a performer, you know what? You got a real good chance of getting paid. But if you don't perform, well, I'll tell you, this business is the most punishing lazy work you've ever seen in your life. And if you're distracted by every little moving thing about, ooh, what about this? What about that? What about this? You won't make the wealth in this space. You've got to be laser focused on a simple, simple product if you want to have the best chance for powerful success selling final expense insurance and the most amazing chance of making money with final expense telesales. But there's never a guarantee. When you get up every day and deliver value, now you've just increased your chance of being able to make the dollars selling final expense insurance. Simple, yes. Easy, it is not. So these are the three reasons that I see agents fail: lack of leads, lack of leadership and systems, and they can't stay focused on anything. And distracted agents rarely make it. I hope this helps you find the rich opportunity of the industry. I hope you find phenomenal success. Remember, you've got what it takes, my friends, but don't get bit by, believe it or not, thinking you don't need leads, thinking that you don't need systems, or thinking that you can just be distracted and somehow money is going to become attracted to you. It's all about you taking action to give you the best chance of success and survival with final expense, telesales, and face to face sales. If we can do anything to assist you, or if you need good leads or even a good work family to call a home, jasonfinalexpense.com. I appreciate you. We'll see you soon.